This year marks the 20th anniversary of the establishment of Shining 3D. Over the past 20 years, Shining 3D has always been focusing on high-accuracy 3D digitalization solutions.
Shining 3D focuses on two product lines: high-accuracy industry 3D scanning and digital dental solutions. Although the application industries are different, the requirement of high quality is common. Customers' core needs are to obtain accurate 3D models and dimensional information through high-precision 3D vision technology, to realize precision manufacturing and quality control with higher efficiency, better quality, and lower loss.
Understanding and addressing industry challenges comes only from first-hand experience.
Our R&D team frequently immerse themselves in the real-world application scenarios to listen to users, identify pain points, and collaborate with product managers to refine requirements and define the development paths, constantly exploring and doing its best to meet the core needs of the users.
Shining 3D's R&D engineers have long been adhering to the spirit of specializing in technology, making fine products, and providing good services. They research 3D vision technology more deeply, more precisely, and more thoroughly. At the same time, they maintain a comprehensive understanding of application scenarios across downstream industries.
Take accuracy, a key concern for our customers. As an example, Shining 3D expanded the R&D team, developing our own image acquisition devices, lasers, and customized algorithms, which led to a significant improvement in accuracy. However, the tricky thing is that when it comes to the actual industry environment, there are lighting changes, temperature fluctuations, vibration interference, and other challenges made it difficult to maintain consistent accuracy. We then divided the process into multiple segments, tested them one by one, digging out hundreds of control points that led to unstable accuracy, and went to the factory side for debugging. Through the unremitting efforts of the technical team for more than 10 years, we have finally achieved an increase in precision from tens of microns to 4 microns, and the stability has been recognized by our customers.
Behind the efficient evolution capability demonstrated by Shining 3D's products, there is both the technical reserve oriented to user needs and the rapid response to the customer feedback. To lower the operational threshold for users and ensure overall dimensional accuracy, Shining 3D has developed multi-metric photogrammetry technology that does not require tracking markers. In addition, Shining 3D has developed intelligent self-positioning and optical tracking technology for large objects that require high precision and are inconvenient to mark. Shining 3D places great emphasis on research and long-term investment. The company prioritizes users' needs by providing the team with ample time to explore technologies that may not generate immediate revenue but are essential for strengthening fundamental technology. This approach allows our R&D team to deeply engage with the end-use industry, refining technology modules in non-standard scenarios that can be reused and adapted across various applications, ultimately benefiting a broader range of customers.
In 2011, Shining 3D embarked on the challenge of developing oral 3D scanning technology. The uneven surface of the teeth, deep grooves, inverted concavities, and the wet saliva will naturally cause uneven light reflection, posing significant challenges for the R&D team. Initially, powder spraying was considered as a solution, but it compromised the diagnosis and treatment experience, conflicting with our core principle of prioritizing user needs. As a result, the company decisively gave up the release and continued to polish the product to meet a higher standard. To overcome the technical challenges, our R&D team took a hands-on approach by scanning each other's mouths, collecting, cleaning, and labeling hundreds of thousands of data frames, covering areas such as buccal site, gingiva, alveolar ridges, and occlusal surfaces. Although data cleaning could have been outsourced, our team chose to handle it internally, significantly enhancing their knowledge of stomatology in the process. After thousands of tests, we successfully optimized the real-time scanning function for oral scans, ensuring precise and reliable results.
User-oriented technological innovation is based on both technological strength and user feedback. Only by strengthening the ability to iterate and update products can enterprises maintain their vitality. Some dentists have reported that it is a long-standing problem to accurately obtain intraoral scan data for patients with complete edentulous mouths. By applying industrial photogrammetry technology to dental digitalization, Shining 3D has successfully solved the above problem and provided patients with comfortable and convenient treatment solutions. In order to help customers get rid of the constraints of cables and have flexible and free scanning experience, the industrial and dental wireless integrated 3D scanner came into being.
Every piece of feedback we receive marks another step forward in the advancement of high-accuracy 3D scanning technology.
Over the past 20 years, Shining 3D has participated in the formulation of national metrology technical specifications and a number of national standards and industry standards, and its precision laboratory has been accredited by CNAS. From isolated technological breakthroughs to full-chain application innovation, the team's goal of creating value for customers through technology has gradually become a reality. Intelligent manufacturing 3D measurement equipment truly empowers the automotive industry, energy and heavy industry, electronics, precision medical care, art and cultural heritage, education, scientific research, and other fields. Looking ahead, as end-user industries move towards digitalization and intelligence solutions, high-accuracy 3D vision technology will face an expanding market, and larger-scale applications will be expanded.
Specifically, inspection tasks in precision manufacturing are expected to shift from low frequency to high frequency. From sample checks to full inspections, these tasks will expand from being the final screen steps in the production process to being integrated into every measurement and inspection stage. This shift will enable quality control to evolve from result-oriented to source and process-oriented control. Intelligent inspection will significantly enhance production quality and efficiency while reducing waste. However, the opportunities for 3D digitalization extended beyond this. High-accuracy 3D vision companies must undergo challenging technical evolution, not only to meet current user demands, but also to lead and even create new application scenarios to meet future requirements.
Over the past 20 years, Shining 3D has journeyed from being a market pioneer to a globally renowned brand in 3D digitalization. We have jointly verified the feasibility of the technical path, identifying pain points, meeting needs, implementing feedback, and adhering to long-termism. In essence, it is only by driving technological innovation around society's essential needs that we can truly return to the fundamental goal of value creation.